You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this company that I know too many people get it absolutely wrong or have no idea how to say it. So let's clarify it once and for all. If you want to learn more names of tech, artificial intelligence, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. In short, and I've got a few caveats here, it's pronounced n8n. Now, it comes from nodemation. You got to know that. It's not nodemation. It's nodemation for node automation. Nodemation, all right? Now, the first N is the first letter of nodemation. Then the 8 is for the 8 letters. And then between the two N's and the last N is the last N of nodemation, all right? So n8n. Now, when you say n8n, n8n, quickly, it sounds like n8 and 10, n8n, right? So, yeah, there's a bit of an argument. Is it pronounced n8n or n810? Well, it depends how quick you're talking. But at least you know it all. Like this video if you found it useful. Was it useful? Let me know in the comments. n8n. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.